In today's video, I will show you how to watch Showmax on mobile phone. So basically, I'll be taking you through the process of downloading, installing, and setting up the Showmax app on your mobile phone so you can enjoy all of the content that Showmax has to offer. So first things first, you want to head over to the App Store on your mobile phone. So since I am using an Android phone, I'm going to go to the Google Play Store. But if you're using an iOS device, you can simply go to the App Store. So you just want to go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. And on the top search bar, you want to go ahead and search for Showmax. Just go ahead and search for it. And then you're going to see the Showmax app over here. So just go ahead and click on it. And then you want to go ahead and click on the install button. And once the app is done installing, you just want to go ahead and open it directly from here. Now on the initial page, you just want to go ahead and read the policy here. I have read it before, so I'm just going to go ahead and accept it. You should do so as well. So just go ahead and accept it. And now you want to sign into the Showmax app on your mobile phone. Now, if you already have an account, you want to go ahead and click on the sign in button over here. But if you do not have an account, then we actually have to create an account, but not from this particular app again. So what we want to do is to close the app. And now you want to head over to any browser on your mobile phone. In my case, I'm just going to use the Google Chrome browser over here. And on your browser, you just want to go ahead and search for Showmax. So just search for Showmax and you're going to be shown the Showmax website on the first page of Google. So you just want to go ahead and click on the Showmax like so. Now you want to click on the Get Started option at the top of your screen. So just click on Get Started. Now on the next page, you're going to see all of the plans that are available for viewers on the Showmax app. And you just want to go ahead and select the plan that best fits you. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go for the first plan over here, which is the 1,600 in Naira. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Entertainment, just like so. And now you want to go ahead and select the device you want to use the plan for. Now, if you're using it for both your TV, your laptops, and your mobile device, you can go for this plan over here. But if you don't want to use it for your mobile phone alone, you just want to go ahead and click on Mobile and then click on Continue, just like so. And now you have to set up your accounts. Now, what you just want to do is to go ahead and enter your name. So I'm just going to enter my name and then my surname as well. And then you also have to enter your email. So I'm just going to enter my email like so. And then you're expected to enter your password. So you just want to go ahead and click here. Now you want to make sure that your password is consisted of 10 characters at least, and it must contain a letter and a number. So I'm just going to use a combination of both letters and number, and it must be up to 10 characters. So you just want to go ahead and once you're done, you want to go ahead and re-enter your password in the next field. And once you're done, you can use the eye icon over here to verify the two passwords and see if they actually tally. And then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter your phone number. If you're not from the country that is being selected over here, that is, the flag of your country is not the same as the one here, you just want to go ahead and select the flag over here, and then you want to scroll and select your country. Obviously, my country is actually the country here, Nigeria. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my phone number. Now in the next page, you just want to proceed to enter your credit card details. So I'm just going to save my password so that I can easily retrieve the password later. Now you want to click on enter your credit card like so, and then you want to go ahead and enter your name, your card number, and then your card month, and then the CVV number of your card. Now the CVV number is the number usually at the back of your card. Now for security reasons, I am not going to be entering my card in this particular place, but once that is done, you can simply proceed by clicking on Pay Now, and you should be able to log into the account. Now finally, after you must have entered your card details and made payments, you can basically just go back to the Showmax app we downloaded initially, open it up, and then you want to go ahead and click on the sign in option. Now enter the same email which you used for registering and making payment for your plan. So I'm just going to enter my email, and then you want to also go ahead and enter your password, the same password that you used for creating the account. And after you must have entered your account details, you just want to go ahead and click on sign in, just like so. And you should be able to sign into your new Showmax account and access all of the contents you have paid for on the Showmax app. Now, once you're done creating your account, it is very important to note that Showmax is going to send you a verification email. So it is important that you actually check the verification email and verify that you actually own the email which you used for registering. In my case, you can basically see the verification email over here from Showmax. So I'm just going to go down and then open up the email on my Gmail. And here I want to go ahead and click on verify email. And once this email is properly verified, then my Showmax account is now properly set up. But if you do not verify your email, there are chances that whenever you lose your account, you may not be able to get it back. Or maybe your account can be closed for want of a wrong email. So basically, that is how to download, install, and watch Showmax on your mobile phone, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.